morning to all of you. My name is Suman Chaudhary. I belong to Mola nearby Kosikala. First of all, I wish to all of you happy Independence Day. So we all know that India is celebrating 76 year of freedom, and today is 15th August, and our country were get freedom from British colonial on this day. We can see that time we were hanged by British colonial. We were not free to live our life with freedom, and we now at this time we can do anything. We can study by our choice, and we can do anything. And we all know that in ancient time we are not free to host our flag in our country, and now we can host our flag anytime, and we are free to host our flag 24 hours. And our Prime Minister is making our India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 2023, and it is our dream to make our country or nation first, always first. And we all know that we have to serve our nation. It is our prime responsibility of all Indians, and now our country is free, and we are living in a respectable country at this time, and India is a very great country in whole world. So at last I want to make a pledge all of you, and we all have to make a promise to serve our nation and protect our nation. And at last I wish you again, all of you, happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning all of you. My name is Himani Chaudhary, and I belong to Kosikala, Mathura. And today as we celebrate Independence Day, I think it is the 77th Independence Day of us, and we should feel proud to be a part of this independent nation. And this day the India attains the freedom from British colonial rule, and I think about from 200 years. And this day is not just for our celebration of our past, but it upholds the spirit of liberty and democracy. And to remember all those sacrifices and all those struggles, we all Indians are host the flag and participate in cultural events and deliver the speeches to encourage our younger generation. And that's my thought about for our Independence Day. And thank you, and happy Independence Day.
Good morning to all of you. I am Aditya Parasar. I want to recite a poem, and this poem is written by my grandfather. His name is late Mr. Yugal Kishore Parasar, and he is no more in the world and now, but we have his memory. And this is very good poem, and this poem is dedicated to all martyrs.
Yes.
So let's start. आन न जाए शान न जाए चाहे जान चली जाए, ऐसा दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ जो जन हो गए गणतंत्र मनाए। बलिदानों का पर्व है यारो, खुशियों का त्योहार नहीं, सत्य प्रेम का अनुबंध है, झूठों का व्यापार नहीं। शीश हथेली पर लेकर जो सीमा पर मुस्काए, ऐसा दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ जो जन हो गए स्वतंत्र मनाए। जिसने अपना सारा जीवन देश व्यवहार किया हो, संकट सबके स्वयं झेलकर सबका भला किया हो, सबके सीने का दिल रखकर जो आमोद मनाए, ऐसा दिल जो जन हो वह स्वतंत्र मनाए। कर्म क्षेत्र हो सारी धरती सारा जग हो अपना, सदा एकता सद्भाव का ऐसा देखे हर जन सपना। युगल समष्टि शांति सुख सागर घर घर में लहराए, ऐसा दिल जो जन हो वह स्वतंत्र मनाए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Yes.
Thank you. Good morning everyone, and first of all I wanted to wish you happy Independence Day. And this is the I think 77 Independence Day according to my views, and we are celebrating. And India is one of the country and which got freedom in 1947, and I think we are celebrating the Independence Day today. And the meaning of freedom is not that we are living freely, or we are not giving the rights to the others. And I think we needed to equality, so that we could provide equal rights to everyone. Like in our society or in our country, we don't give the equal rights to the women. That's why I would like to share my views only for the women's empowerment, so that we could not partial between the women's and the men's, and that's why the government of India needed to convey over this point to give equal chance or equal life to everyone. Like women's are behind in the other things like IT sector or medical, or the parents or the women are not supporting them, and that's why they are behind from the boys or the men's, and we needed to give them equal rights so that we could improve, or we could improve the rights or the values of the women in our society. And that's my final point about the equality of women. And thank you. And thank you to everyone to give me this chance to speak over Independence Day before you. And thank you, our viewers, to support us so that we could improve ourselves, and we could participate also the independence of our nation. And thank you for supporting us, our channel of Sar Beginners Academy. And thank you very much.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Very good morning all of you. Today I am standing here. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Ritu. Today I want to speak something. क्यों जीते हो धर्म के नाम पर, क्यों मरते हो धर्म के नाम पर, क्यों जीते हो धर्म के नाम पर, क्यों मरते हो धर्म के नाम पर, बन जाओ इंसान और जियो इस वतन के नाम पर। अब तक जिसका खून न खोला, वो खून किस काम का, अब तक जिसका खून न खोला वो खून किस काम का, जो देश के काम लाए वो बेकार जवानी है। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ
Morning to all of you.
Morning.
My name is Neil Brother. I belong to Gobarsan. Today is Independence Day. We are celebrating 76th Independence Day. Independence Day, the most. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day, the most important day for India. On this day, in 1947
कोई नहीं बोल करो सही तो है 1947
British rule got freedom long after
approx 200 years 200 years
you.
in slavery. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Nirmal Chaudhary. I belong from Lake Baran and near Positara. And first of all, I wish you all of you a very Independence Day. Today we celebrate our 77th Independence Day. This is a very most important day for all the Indians and our country. Today we all know that the many freedom fighters and devoted their entire life for Independence Day of our country. And I thought we are fortunate that we born in India, because the many soldiers they protect our country and gives our life for our Indians, for our country. So friends, we all know that no nation is perfect and it needs to be made perfect. So thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good morning all of you, my teachers and my teacher and my friends. And today our nation Independence Day, and we are celebrated, and I want to some line about Independence Day. जलती रही नारियां जौहर पे भेड़िए फिर भी मौन थे, हमें सिखाया गया अकबर महान तो महाराणा प्रताप कौन थे। सड़ती रही लाशें सड़कों पर, गांधी फिर भी मौन थे, हमें सिखाया गया गांधी के चरखे से आजादी आई तो फिर वे 25 साल के नौजवान कौन थे। आज भी वो रस्सियां संग्रहालय में संजो कर रखी गई हैं जिस पर गांधी जी अपनी बकरी को बांधा करते थे। कहाँ गई वो रस्सियां जिस पर राजगुरु भगत सिंह और सुखदेव हंसते हंसते लटके थे। कितने झूले थे फांसी पर, कितनों ने गोली खाई थी, कितने झूले थे फांसी पर, कितनों ने गोली खाई थी। क्यों झूठ बोलते हो साहब कि गांधी के चरखे से आजादी आई थी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
My name is Somal. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating 76th Independence Day of our country. At first, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. Independence Day from British rule. On this day, people remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. great day, and I am proud to be an Indian, and I love my India. Thank you very much. Good morning, all of you. My name is Hina Raju. Independence Day is very special day. It is Independence Day is very special day for our country. It is celebrated on the 15 August. Forever 15 August every year. India joined freedom from British rule in 1947 on Independence Day. We hoist the national flag, which is also now as the celebrated Independence Day is very special day. Celebrated every year on 15 August 1947. Celebrated
First time?
First time Independence Day. Thank you.
चलिए बहुत
Good morning, my honorable teacher and my dear friends. Today I am speaking some few words of Subhash Chandra Bose. My name is Rekha Saini. I belong to Rosanagadi. Subhash Chandra Bose was born 23rd January 1897. He was a freedom fighter of India country. He joined National Congress Party to become a Indian National Army. His slogan was "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा." He was a great freedom fighters of our country. He wanted to free from India from British rule. Honorable teacher and my dear friends, myself Mia Chaudhary. I basically belong to place Tumala nearby Kosikala. Today is 15th August and we all are celebrating 76th Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. Independence Day is the most important day for India. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from British rules after long years of slavery. Our freedom fighters devoted their whole life to freedom of our country. So we should respect all of them, and it is our national festival for India. Today we are so lucky because we live in an independent country and we have our fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless, and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to make perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the development of our country. Thank you so much for listening to me. Jai Hind.
Good morning, my dear friends and my dear teacher. Everybody know today is 15 August. We are celebrate Independence Day. It is my pleasure to deliver a welcome speech on this day. As you know, today is most important in day in Indian history. Indian become independent on 15 August 1947. Year from British Raj. This day we got watching result of lot of sacrifice and struggle of our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are fortunate that we were born in independent country and we have our own fundamental right. On this day, mental flag is hosted on public every place. We can celebrate this day by singing, politics, song, perform, cultural activity and sharing sweet. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and develop our country. Surely the day is not for when our country will be strong, powerful in every field. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.